Hello students, welcome to Sports Plus. So this is the second video of our MCQ series of most difficult and unique question of class 12 physical education for the CBSE term 1 examination that is going to held in the month of November this year. Okay, so let us start. The first question is milk, butter and ghee provides. The options are vitamin B and E, vitamin C and K, vitamin A and D and vitamin C and E. The answer will be option C, vitamin A and D. Why? In order for these vitamins to be digested, they need to combine with the fat molecules as they are fat soluble. So they are fat soluble, that's why A and D are the correct option here. Now let's go to question number 2. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct option using the codes given below. So list 1 iron, sodium, phosphorus, iodine. So let us start first only iron. Iron, proper thyroid function, no. Development of strong bones, not. Functioning of the nervous system, no. Formation of hemoglobin, yeah, that is the correct. Iron will help to formation the hemoglobin. Second is the sodium. Sodium, proper thyroid function, no. Development of strong bone, no. Third function is the correct. Functioning of nervous system, that is the correct option. Phosphorus, proper thyroid function, development of strong bone. Definitely phosphorus will help you to development of strong bones. And the fourth one is iodine. So naturally we have now one option, that is the proper thyroid function. So option D is the correct answer here. Question number 3 is assertion A. Lean body mass is the amount of body weight excluding body fat. So the reason is body composition involves component with which human body is formed. In the context of above statements, which one of the following statements is correct? Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. A is false but R is true. Here the answer is A. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. So let me tell you the correct explanation. Body composition is used to describe the percentage of fat, bone, water and muscle in human body. So that is the correct explanation. So the option A is the correct option here. Now let's go to the fourth question. The amount of carbohydrates to be consumed 1 hour prior to exercise is. How much carbohydrate you have to consume before 1 hour of the exercise? 1 gram of carbohydrates per kilogram of body weight, 2 grams of carbohydrates per kilogram of body weight, 2.5 or 3. The correct answer will be the 1 gram of carbohydrate per kilogram of body weight. So option A is the correct here. So the question number 5 is the same. Match list 1 with list 2. So list 1 is BMI. So let us see BMI here, it will match. Bravura test, performance related fitness, health related fitness, obesity. So the obesity is correct here. Body composition. So Bravura test, performance related fitness, health related fitness, that is the health related fitness. Explosive strength, Bravura test, no. Second is the performance related fitness, yeah, that is the correct, because body strength we require when we want performance for the athlete. And fourth one is the cardiac stress, that is the Bravura test. Bravura test you can know it, the Harvard step test also, it will measure the cardiac stress. Okay, so option B is correct here. Question number 6 again, assertion and reason. So assertion, socialization take place through participation in games and sports. The reason they are giving games and sports inculcate social habit. So which one of the following statement is correct? A is true, R is false. A is false, R is true. A and R are false. Both A and R are true. So here both A and R are true, because when you participate in the games and sports, so you have to mix up with the team. So that team will improve your social habits and social development. Question number 7. Which of the following combination of food components does not produce heat and energy in the body? Number 1, carbohydrates, vitamins, water and lipids. Option A, 2 and 3 means vitamins and water. First and second means carbohydrates and vitamins. 2 and 4 means vitamins and lipids. And 1 and 4 carbohydrates in and lipids. So what do you think? So my take is 2 and 3. Option A is the correct answer, vitamins and water. So why? You know that water won't provide any energy. So vitamin, I will tell you, vitamins do not directly provide energy to our body. Vitamins are required for the release of energy from protein, fat and carbohydrates. So that's why option A is the correct option here. So before going to the 8th question, let me tell you, if you want complete notes of 11th and 12th physical education, you can download our app from Google Play Store. The app link is given in the description below. Or if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and share our video with your friends for upcoming videos. So let's go to the 8th question. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 is milk, cheese, yogurt. Carbohydrates, mineral, protein, vitamins. The correct answer will be these are the minerals. B, meat, poultry, fish. So carbohydrates, minerals, protein, vitamins. So it is the protein. C is vegetables, carbohydrates, minerals, protein, vitamins. So the vitamins, lot of vitamins are there in the vegetables. And third is the bread, cereal, rice. It will be in the carbohydrates. So the option D is the correct answer here. Next is question number 9. Assertion and reason again. Assertion is physical education is an integral part of education. That we know physical education is integral part of education. So that is correct. Reason, both education and physical education aim is the total personality development of individual. So that is also correct. In the context of our two statement, which one of the following is correct? So the both are true. So no need to say in that. Option D is correct here. Here is the question number 10. Find the water soluble vitamins from the following: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin K, vitamin D and vitamin C. So you know that fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. So rest all are the water soluble. So option B here is the correct option. It means vitamin C and vitamin B are the correct option here. With this, we came to the end of this video. In this, if you have any query regarding the question and answer, let me know in the comment section. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and turn on the bell icon for upcoming video. And any query you will write to me, you can see in the comment section. In every video I have given the reply in every query. So please feel free to write us. So that's all for today. We will meet you the next video. Till then, goodbye. See you there.